Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. Topic of this video today is the Griots Garage Creeper. You notice it's the sit-on creeper. It's come with the optional pad and bottle holders. We're going to review it today. We're going to decide, is it worth the $130 that this cost? If you play your cards right and you order something from Griots, you'll get a 15% off. So I think this actually did cost a little less than $130 with tax, because shipping was free. Got this as a Christmas gift. However, before we get started, please click that bell. You'll be notified of my future videos as I drop daily. Please like, comment. Love to hear the comments, and subscribe to the channel. All right, moving on. All right, Griots Garage. Is it worth it? Well, let's start with some basics here. For one, it was $130-ish, let's just say. The optional, bottle holders, whatnot, the optional pad on the seat. Is it worth it? Well, let's check it out. Let's look for one. See the bottle holders over here. It holds the ceramic 3-in-1 and other 22-ounce bottle sizes, correct? Correct. Holds them in there too, right? However, did you ever get the bigger bottles from Griots? I like them. The sprayer is really robust. I save these bottles and use them for other things. Doesn't fit. Not at all. I don't like that. That's a negative. That's a negative, folks. Right away. You use the 22-ounce Griots, it's fine. But you go for the bigger ones, where are you going to put them? Where are you going to put them? The drawer? Yeah, you can put some rags in there. That's cool. I mean, you've got some storage on both sides. All right, let's go to some of the positives. Let's start out by saying this creeper is detachable. So now, if you're, for example, you're doing brakes, and you're trying to get the wheels off and you want to get really low and get your butt as close to the ground and straddle that tire without breaking your back, it's a great idea. It's a great idea, detachable creeper. I like it. I like it a lot. It's almost like two tools in one. Another thing, it snaps right back on. Like it. The pad. That's a pretty robust pad, folks. Would you want to kneel on that? I don't think so. So I'm going to say, if you don't get the optional pad, I give that a knock. But if you get the optional pad, not an issue. Now, I'm going to go to one of the most important features that I find in one of these things. You have the locking wheels, right? More importantly, cracks. See, I got a little Craftsman one here. I don't know if you can tell, but it doesn't necessarily give me any confidence rolling over these cracks. Sometimes it gets stuck. Let's test out Mr. Griots. Let's see what this one does. I'm just literally running along here, folks. Testing. Ooh. Let's try. Let's go up here. Let's see how this works. Got a little bit of erosion in my garage. Let's see how this works. Little Stingray. Well, I'll tell you what. That passed with flying colors. One of my biggest issues with creepers is those wheels that just don't go over uneven surfaces. I just rolled around like I was in an amusement park. So there you have it, folks. One of the knocks is the bigger bottles don't fit, but overall positives, to say the least. You could go to Harbor Freight and get a very similar design for, I believe it's $60 on sale, but the Griots is a lifetime guarantee. I've seen them. Those wheels are nowhere near as robust. You get what you pay for, folks. In this case, thumbs up to the Griots product. I recommend it. If you get the optional pad for the detachable kneeler creeper, and keep in mind these optional bottle holders, you may not need them, especially if you're using the big bottles. Again, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. This is Corvette Dan. I appreciate it. Till the next one, thank you very much.